Hello, in front of me I've got Ford Kuga. In this video I'll show you how to find fuse box location. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the engine compartment, and the first fuse box is located right here. In order to open it, you have to pull this lever on the back. And here is the first fuse box. Second fuse box location is under the steering wheel, right here. In order to access it, you have to unscrew this screw and take out this plastic cover, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.